ShortGATE toppers. Welcome back. Today we are diving into one of the most misunderstood operations in relational algebra, that is the division operation. If you have ever struggled to understanding its purpose or implementation, you are in the right place. Let's see what is the division operation. The division operation is used when you want to find tuples in one relation that are associated with all tuples in another relation. It's particularly useful for queries like find students who have taken all courses, find employees certified in all required skills. Think of it as a way to answer for all questions efficiently in databases. Let's see how it works in detail. Let's see the input and output of division. The division operation takes two relations as input: dividend relations and divisor relation. Dividend relations, the large relation with more attributes. Divisor relations, a subset of attributes present in R. The output is a relation with attributes from R that are not in S, showing tuples that matches all tuples in S. To understand this better, let's walk through a real-world example. Consider two relations: student and course. List all students and their courses. Required course. List all courses required to graduate. If we perform student course divide required course, the result will be students who have taken all required courses. Let's break this down step by step with a table. Let's see the step to perform division. Project attributes of R that are not in S means result attributes. Subtract tuple from the result that do not match with every tuple in S. The remaining tuples from the output of the division operation. Remember, the key idea is that every output tuple must satisfy all tuples in the divisor relation. When to use the division operation? Division is ideal for queries that require checking completeness, such as students who completed all projects, employees certified for all required tasks, products available in all stores. By mastering this operation, you will be able to handle complex relations queries with confidence. To sum up, the division operations is a powerful tool in relational algebra that lets you answer complex queries involving for all conditions. Practice is key to mastering this concept, so be sure to try out some example on your own. Like the video if it helped you to understand the division operation. And don't forget to subscribe to ShortGATE for more gate preparation content. Drop your queries or questions in the comment below. We will explore advanced relational algebra queries next. Let's crack GATE together. Thanks for watching and happy learning. See you in the next video.